In this video, I'm going to show you the techniques of doing the spinning hook kick. I'm going to start by one leg squat. This is going to help you with balance, strong leg, and make sure that your kicks are effective. Now I want you to swing the legs like this. This is going to help you with flexibility. It's going to help you. It's going to open up your stiff thighs to be more flexible and effective. Next, we're going to twist the body. Twist your body like this. This is going to help you to create the speed when you are kicking. It's going to make things easy for you. Trust me. Keep on doing this workout for about 5 minutes so that you're going to get it. So now you're going to twist your body like this. You're going to do the turn over. You are twisting your body, then turn your head fast. It's so easy. Just do this. Keep on doing it. I mean, you can do this for about 5 minutes in order to get used to it. Keep on doing it until you feel comfortable with it. So again, you're gonna twist your body, but this time you're gonna do things differently. You see? So while you are twisting your body, make sure that you lift your knee up. Every time you're twisting your body, you lift your knee up. So how does lifting your knee helping you kick? So the higher you raise your knee, the higher you're gonna kick so high. You see? So your higher kicks are determined by how high you raise your knee. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you understand me on this tutorial. I'm new to this thing. So you can leave a comment on whether do you understand me or what. But I'm gonna try my best to make you understand. This is the most average and easiest kick in Taekwondo. So I suggest you to train it. It's gonna help you to be able to also master other kicks. And you don't have to rush. Just take your time until you can see you can do it perfectly. Before I forgot, the most important thing, it is your head. You must turn your head faster than your body because of your body's leave a like and a comment on how's your progress. And please don't forget to show some love with like and subscribe.